Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to cancel your credit card on Forever 21. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in forever21.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official website for Forever 21. Now from the home page, scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page and you will find the Forever 21 credit card button at the bottom right corner. Go ahead and click on this, and this will now take you into your credit card account management page. Just click on the sign in button and you will be asked to enter your credentials. Just type in the username that you have set up while creating your account within the username box, and then type in your account password underneath within the password section. You can then click on the sign in button and you will be logged into your credit card account, after which you can simply look for the cancel button and click on it to cancel your card. If you don't find this option, click on the help button at the top right corner and then scroll down and click on send us a message. Now within this message, you can simply mention that you wish to cancel your card and you will receive a response within which you will be given the steps that you can follow in order to cancel your card. You can also try calling the customer care number directly to receive a more quick response. And there you have it. That is how you can go about if you wish to cancel your credit card on Forever 21. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.